This is the Athens Fish and Meat Market over here on Athinas Street between Omonia and Monastiraki. Let's take a look. Pistachios before they're roasted. It tastes really good. They're very soft, not like the crunchy ones after they're roasted. So totally different taste. Crabs. Man, there's a lot of different kinds of fish here. A lot of squid. The grilled squid and the grilled octopus out here. It's really good. Look at these huge shrimps. Oh my god. Wow. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and they're already winding down, a few of them. By 4 o'clock it seems most of them are already packed up for the day. What is that? What kind of fish is this? Flounder? Nice. I like how they display them. Those are some big, ugly, whatever they are, calamari. I have no idea what that is. Oh, that looks like what do you call those? Looks like a kind of like a stingray a little bit, or a small one maybe. Skinned, a skinned stingray. Jumbo shrimp.
1 kilo 10. 10. 1 kilo 10.
1 kilo 10. Very good. 1 kilo 10 also over here. So that's the fish part of it, and there's also meat on the side. So let's go have a look at the meat part. That's not good. Pigeons landing in the nuts there. So, little word of advice: if you come here and buy some of these nuts that are exposed out here, dig down a little bit and get the ones underneath the top layer, just in case there's some birds landing on it or something. Looks like some of this stuff is discounted also, maybe towards the end of the day. What is this, lamb's head? Creepy. Man, that hurts just watching that. That's gotta hurt, even if that thing is dead. What is this, liver? That looks disgusting. Liver? I guess these are lamb, I think. That's how they make the ground meat right there. That does not look good. I don't know what that is, but So that's a look at the Athens meat and fish market and nuts out front here. And right across the street on this side and on that side, there's a bunch of fruit and vegetable markets also. So this is about halfway between Omonia that way, train station, and Monastiraki that way on Athinas. So if you want to come check this out, definitely come earlier in the day because, like I said, it's 3 o'clock or so, and a few of them are already packing it in. So I would try to get here in the morning, especially since maybe a lot of this stuff is sitting out for a few hours. I try to get it as fresh as you could, I guess. So that's my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.